This video documents the building of a custom steel bumper with a hitch for a '94 Toyota pickup. To begin the project, we are going to reuse the original bumper mounts. Here we're lining the 2x3-inch steel stock to get it perfectly straight and level, which will then be tack welded onto the bumper mounts. To help strengthen the bumper mount connection to the steel stock, we built gussets out of 3/16-inch steel plate. The bumper is then remounted onto the truck to ensure that it is still straight and lined up. The gussets are then fully welded to the bumper mounts and the steel stock. A 2-inch receiver hitch from a F250 will then be cannibalized and used in the bumper build. To finish the sides of the bumper, we used more of the 2x3-inch steel stock. This is the fun part, where you get to decide how it looks and start to build the finishing touches. After it's all pieced together and tack welded, the bumper is removed to do the final welding. Curious about the weight, I put it on the scale and discovered that it was only 62 pounds, which is only 19 pounds heavier than the stock Toyota bumper.
Installing the plates here. Just got done tapping it.
And here's the finished product. We're pretty proud of it. It really finishes off the back of the truck. Thanks for watching.